If you're having trouble printing with an Epson EcoTank printer and you believe it's an air clog, in other words, there is air that is preventing ink from getting to your print head and printing, then this is the video you need to watch to solve that problem. Hey you guys, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix an air clog or air bubbles within an Epson EcoTank printer. Now this is going to be virtually the same instructions for any Epson EcoTank printer, so you can refer to this video for any model that you have. Now I know that there are other videos on this topic, but they're a little bit complex and they're not broken down step by step and in simplified terms, and that's what I'm going to do here in this video because I want you to be able to follow the instructions very easily and be able to solve your problem. Now you may have come to this video because you did a print head cleaning already with the Best Printers cleaning kit, or you may be seeing me for the first time. But either way, if you don't already have the Best Printers cleaning kit, this is what we're going to use to solve this problem. If you don't already have this cleaning kit, because most likely if you have air bubbles, you may also have a print head issue, and you're going to need to use this product for both of those problems. This is a solution to multiple problems. There's going to be a link for this product down in the description below and pinned in the comments. Now let me just tell you, this is simple, it's easy, it just takes time and patience, and you're gonna save money by doing it. So it is worth doing, it's worth watching this video all the way through, it's worth saving this video, it's worth coming back and watching, ordering the products that I recommend, and implementing the instructions. It is simple, anyone can do it. I have helped hundreds of people fix their print head issue, and by doing that, help them save hundreds of dollars. And that's my aim in this video. I want to help you solve this problem so that you can get your printer back up and running again. If you haven't already watched one of my print head cleaning videos for your specific printer model, please browse my channel. I have tons of videos on tons of different printer models. All you have to do is go to my channel, go to the search bar, and search up your specific printer model. You're going to find a lot of different solutions. If you can't find your exact printer model, find a similar model, because these instructions are very universal when it comes to the world of Epson EcoTank printers. With that, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Very important note, when you're doing any of these cleanings, you usually want to top off your ink and you want to change out your maintenance box. Both of those products are going to be linked down below for all the different Epson EcoTank models. When you buy Best Printers ink, when you buy our cleaning kit, when you buy any of our products, maintenance boxes, you're buying from a company that you know and trust here on YouTube, where you originally sourced the information. You can trust that we are giving you the highest quality products. All right, so without any further ado, let's show you how to fix this issue. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, power on the printer. Now, you're going to want to do something to make sure that the print head is not locked. So you're going to want to print a nozzle report, or you're just going to want to catch the print head while it's moving in an unlocked position. Then you're going to want to unplug the printer so that the print head stays unlocked. Now, on this specific model, the Epson EcoTank 4800, this is the process to get this compartment open, which is where you can access the actual print head. But it's going to be different for different printer models, different Epson EcoTanks. So you're going to want to make sure to check instructions on how to open up this area. There are plenty of videos on my YouTube channel that will show you how to open this area and get to the point where you can access the print head. Now moving on to the cartridges that are actually installed in the print head, which you see already there. Cyan is the one that has the air clog, and so the magenta, you can see when I shake it, there's ink inside of there, but the cyan, there is no ink in there. And so what I'm going to need to do is I'm actually going to need to pull ink into that cartridge and break that air clog. Of course, the syringe I'm using is from the Best Printers cleaning kit. If you don't already have one, you're going to want to buy one, because along with air clogs are print head issues, and you'll be able to solve both problems with this kit. So here I've got the 20 milliliter syringe I'm going to use to pull this air clog out, and all you're doing is you're pulling back on that syringe, and ink is going to start flowing at this point, and you need to pull it up until where you see a little bit of ink dripping into the syringe, just like that. You're going to want to clean that up because you don't have a purpose for that ink necessarily. And so that is how you break an air clog. You can check all of your colors, make sure that there is ink within your cartridges. If there isn't, there is most likely an air clog, and you'll know which color is giving you the most issues. Make sure when you're doing this, your ink is totally full, topped off. You can buy some refill ink with the links down in the description below. So now we put everything back together. Once you are confident that you have solved this problem, there's ink in all of those cartridges. And also take the opportunity maybe to do a cleaning. If you use the attachments that come with the Best Printers cleaning kit, you can do a cleaning on the nozzles, which when you remove the cartridge, the nozzle is right there on the bottom. Also refer to videos on this channel, as I mentioned before. There's so many resources. All you have to do is go to the search bar, look up your specific printer model, and you'll get instructions on how to do a print head cleaning. As you can see, cyan is 100% normal, and that is exactly what you want to see on the nozzle report. You want to see that the color has totally returned, and then you can begin printing normally again. This is the process. It's simple, it's easy, and it's really not time consuming. I hope this was an easy tutorial for you to follow. When you're doing any cleaning or any repairs like this, you always want to make sure you can top off the ink. Take advantage of doing this project and having the printer down for a few days. Change out the maintenance box. I'm going to be leaving links down in the description below for different products. You can also browse the Best Printers website, bestprintersstore.com, and that's going to be linked down below as well. So plenty of resources, plenty of products for you to use. Of course, the cleaning kit link is in the description below and pinned in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.